Hello children, welcome to Learning with Fun. I'm sure you all are doing well at your end. I'm back with one more interesting topic to make you understand the process of electrolysis and how universal indicator changes its color in acidic and basic medium. For showing these two processes, I'll be taking universal indicator, salt, a watch glass, battery, two wires along with these four crocodile clips and two graphite rods. Now the question is, what is an indicator? Indicator is a substance that gives a sign, usually by a color change, in the presence of any other substance. We use indicator to identify whether the given substance is acidic or basic in nature. Universal indicator gives red color in acidic medium and green color in basic medium. I hope you all know about acids and bases. Acids release hydrogen ions in water and bases release hydroxide ions when dissolved in water. Children, before starting the process of electrolysis, you must know what is this electrolysis process. What is this all about? Electrolysis is a process by which ionic compounds are decomposed into positive ions and negative ions when electricity is passed through these compounds. Positive ions are called cations and negative ions are called anions. Here one more term related to this process I want to introduce, that is an electrolyte. An ionic compound when dissolved in a solvent such as water start conducting electricity. This is called an electrolyte. The moment electricity starts flowing in the solvent in which an ionic compound is dissolved, so this ionic compound will dissociate into positive ions and negative ions. Water is considered as an electrolyte itself. Now let's begin with the experiment. I am taking an appropriate quantity of universal indicator in this watch glass. And I am adding a pinch of salt, very little quantity of salt in it. I am taking salt because salt solution is a good electrolyte. It conducts electricity very well. The chemical formula of salt is NaCl and the chemical name sodium chloride. Now I will connect the one end of this wire with the negative terminal of this battery and the other end will be connected to one of this graphite rod. In the same manner, the one end of this white wire I will connect with the positive terminal and the other end will remain attached to the second graphite rod. Now electricity has been started flowing in these two graphite rods. This battery is a source of electricity. Graphite is a substance which conducts electricity very well. It is a non-metal. Now I will put these two graphite rods in this watch glass containing universal indicator. Electrolysis process has been started. Positive hydrogen ions and negative hydroxide ions of water will start separating out and will accumulate on these two graphite rods separately. you can see the color change. Red color is produced because of deposition of hydrogen ions, and green color is produced because of the accumulation of hydroxide ions on this graphite rod. It is looking like black, but in actual it is green in color. These red and green colors are produced because I used universal indicator, and I told you in the beginning universal indicator gives red color in the acidic medium and it changes its color when it interacts with a base. Acidic medium, I mean the presence of hydrogen ions, and here I am saying that basic medium, presence of hydroxide ions. At the same time, universal indicator is getting both the mediums together, acidic and basic. I am repeating once again, acidic medium means hydrogen ions, where the hydrogen ions have been deposited, and the basic medium means where hydroxide ions are collected or are gathered over here on this graphite rod. And this is the reason that universal indicator changing its color red and green. And the separation of hydroxide ions and hydrogen ions are done because of the process of electrolysis. I want to tell you something about the universal indicator. An universal indicator is typically composed of water and many other chemicals like phenolphthalein, methyl red and sodium hydroxide. Children, you can see very beautiful colors have been appeared, red and green. So this is all about the process of electrolysis with the help of universal indicator, and you also have observed how universal indicator changes its color with acids and bases. I hope you all will like this video. We'll come back soon with one more interesting topic. Till then, bye bye and take care. Please do subscribe, like and share. Thank you.